Introduction to human immune system. Immunity can be defined as protection from infection, such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, or multicellular parasites. Like other systems, the body immune system is made of cells and molecules. The main two molecules that involved in human immune system are cytokines and chemokines. We're going to talk about them later. Immune system, there are three main systems involved in immune response. The first one is innate and adaptive and non-immunological barriers. Innate immune system is inborn and operates throughout the life. And adaptive immune system, it changes in response to pathogens that it encounters. And non-immunological barriers that are involved in host protection. There are three main types of non-immunological barriers. First one is physical, chemical, and the third one is resistance to pathogens provided by the common cells of the skin and the gut. Main physical barriers are the skin and the mucous membranes, cough reflex, mucosal function, and urine flow. The chemical barriers is low gastric pH. Now we are going to talk about the characteristics of innate and adaptive immune response. Innate immune system doesn't have any memory. Comparatively, adaptive immune system has memory and it responds, adapts with each exposure. And innate immune system recognizes limited number of non-varying generic molecular patterns on or made by the pathogen. But adaptive immune system recognizes vast array of specific antigens on or made by pathogen. And the pattern recognition is mediated by a limited array of receptors in innate immune system. But in adaptive immune system, there is a vast array of antigen-specific receptors that involved in antigen recognition. The most important thing is in innate immune system, the response to pathogens starts immediately on first encounter. But in adaptive immune system, it takes 1 to 2 weeks for the first encounter for a response to pathogens. And if the same pathogen going to encounter, it takes 3 to 7 days to respond. Now we are going to talk about some specific molecules in immune system. First one is cytokines, second one is chemokines, and third one is complement proteins. Let's talk about cytokines. The main two cytokines that we are going to talk in human immune system are interferons and interleukins. There are main three types of interferons, alpha, beta, and gamma, and we can find 35 different types of interleukins in human body. These cytokines are small polypeptides released by a cell in order to change the function of the same or another cell. There are a few functions or features with regards to cytokines: pleiotrophy, autocrine function, paracrine function, endocrine effects, and synergistic activity. Pleiotrophy means different effects on different cells. Autocrine function means modulates the cell secreting it. Paracrine means modulates adjacent cells. Endocrine effects means modulates cells and organs at remote sites. And synergistic activity, acting in concert with other cytokines to achieve effects greater than the summation of their individual action. So let's talk about chemokines now. All chemokines have a similar structure relating to the configuration of cysteine residues, which give rise to four families: CXC, CC, C, CX3CC. CXC means two cysteines separated by any other amino acid residue. CC is two cysteines next to each other. C is one cysteine. CX3C is two cysteines separated by any three amino acids. The main function of chemokine is attack chemotactic molecules. They extract cells along a gradient of low to high chemical concentration from blood into tissues and then tissues into lymphatics. Other main function of chemokines is they have the ability to activate immune cells. Complement proteins are very specific molecule regards to the immune system. This complement proteins act as a cascade of events, and this cascade is initiated via three distinct pathways: alternative, classical, and Menin binding selective. These complement proteins are produced in liver and they circulate in an inactive form until triggered to become enzymatically active. The main functions of complement proteins are promote inflammation, recruit cells, kill target cells like bacteria, and they solubilize and remove immune complexes from the circulation. So now we are going to talk about the main cells in human immune system. There are main two types of cell: myeloid and lymphoid. First we're going to talk about myeloid cells. In myeloid category there are 6 types of cells: neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, mast cells, monocytes, and macrophages. Each of cells have different functions by their own. The main function of neutrophils is immunity against bacteria and fungi. Neutrophils originated in bone marrow, and this is the first line defense of the body. Eosinophil, basophil, and mast cells, all together their response is immunity against parasites. All these 3 cell types originated from bone marrow, and those have a specific role in allergic reactions too. Monocytes and macrophages have the immunity to bacteria, fungi, and parasites. They also originated from bone marrow, and these cells are specialized phagocytes, and they involve in cytokine secretion too. So all the myeloid cells are originated from bone marrow, and they basically go with the innate immune system. Lymphoid category consists of 3 different cell types: dendritic cells, B lymphocytes, and T lymphocytes. The main function of dendritic cells is present antigen to T lymphocytes. These dendritic cells originated from bone marrow, and a special feature of the dendritic cell is they activate T lymphocytes. B lymphocytes main function is production of antibodies. They are called as antibody factories. B lymphocytes also originated from bone marrow, and they have specific receptors for antigens. The last one is T lymphocytes. These are the cells which arrange the immune response. The precursors of T lymphocytes come from bone marrow, but they undergo selection process in the thymus to avoid self-reactivity. These cells have specific T cell receptors for antigen, and according to that, T lymphocytes divided into two main cells called CD4 and CD8. CD4 is helper and regulatory cell. CD8 is the cytotoxic cell. So that's it for the introduction for human immune system. Thank you so much.